Brand new, delivery miles, Land Rover Defender, D350, X-Dynamic, HSE, in Woolstone green, with a jump seat, with air suspension, with a detachable tow-bar, but then it looks incredible because of the way it's been styled exterior-wise. So you've got all the spec of the X-Dynamic in the HSE, which is good as you can get. You've got all them other extras, as I mentioned. But then, we've got full wide arches, we've got the Canards, we've got the DRLs, bonnet vents, side vents, pod light, full black exterior pack, urban styling on the badging, 22-inch wheels, mud flaps, side steps, it's got rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, so it looks fantastic. VAT qualifying, 3 years Land Rover warranty and assist, and a commercial that you can put through your business, claim the VAT back, and just have something that's going to drive fantastic with the engine, looks superb. It's got the air suspension, which makes a big difference, and a lot of our commercial customers want a detachable tow bar, which it's got. There's the button for the air suspension if you want to drop it down. You've got all that load space with it being a hardtop commercial. And then in the rear as well, just show you some of the new features. Urban styled spare wheel cover, these lovely slick new LED lights with it being a 2026 model. Rear canards, and then as we move on inside, you get all the HSE specs. So we've got keyless entry, full leather, which is heated and cooled, Meridian Sound system, memory seats, cabin lighting, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, 13.1 inch screen, which is the new big screen, which is in the full size Range Rovers. And then you've got all your features. So you've got full surround camera system, which also has towing assist, wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth multimedia, air suspension button here if you want to drop it down as well. And then if you're not using this middle jump seat, you don't need to use it. That just drops down into a center armrest. USB charging points, cup holders there as well. And also, people always is trying to work out what you get with a HSE. So there's other things like if you look here, all this dash here is in extended leather. That's what you get of the HSE. Leather steering wheel as well in that center section. Great spec, Woolstone green, VAT qualifying, but it's got over and above extras. So people think if you buy a HSE Defender, you get everything. You don't get a tow bar, you don't get air suspension, you don't get heated steering wheel. So a lot of these features are over and above. And then just look at the styling on the outside. I think the car's done 10 miles on the clock. It's going live on all our platforms. Ultimate 90 hardtop Defender in the very desirable colour Woolstone green.